All right, hello everybody. CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Thank you for watching as always. I appreciate it. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell. You can get my videos as soon as they come out. Hit that thumbs up if you like this kind of content. I appreciate it. And of course, as always, feel free to share the video. So before I get started, I want to say I wish everyone well, and please take the necessary precautions to prevent the spread of this coronavirus. And finally, if you have any questions or comments about this or any other video, please include it in the comment section. All right, so today I want to talk about Masari and how to GPU mine it. I'm going to do a quick review. It's not an in-depth technical analysis or review of the project, just a quick overview so we can get going GPU mining it. Please feel free to look into it a little bit more when you get a chance. So I'm at their website, getmasari.org. Masari, simple, scalable, secure. About Masari, Masari is a privacy-centric innovative cryptocurrency that allows users to send money around the globe with low fees very quickly. Masari is a proof-of-work peer-to-peer internet currency using the well-researched and cryptographically sound CryptoNote and ring-CT protocols. This means that every transaction, origin, amount, and destination is obfuscated by default. Masari is an open-source project that is fully decentralized, similar to Bitcoin, with several CryptoNote firsts, such as uncle mining via the Secure protocol, a fully client-side web wallet, and proof-of-work sharding via the block tree protocol. Masari is a fast, fungible, secure, private, and soon-to-be scalable cryptocurrencies. So they have links to CryptoNote and ring-CT protocols, as well as Secure, the side web wallet, and the block tree protocol. If you want to dive into those and learn more about them in depth, feel free to click on these links when you get a chance and you can read about it. Scalability initiatives include the Secure and Blocktree protocols. Community developed and funded by community volunteers. Simple, cross-platform supported, and easy to use. You can click on this to learn more about it. And if I get a chance, I'll get back to that and click on it. But right now, I want to go to Resources. Here's a Block Explorer. We'll click on that. And as you can see, the total supply is 18,446,744. Circulating supply is currently 13,205,616. The link for the web wallet, the link to the funding system. Let's click on that, see what comes up. So this needs to be updated, it looks like. Wallet generator here, mining pools, guides, and exchanges. So we'll click on mining pools. It brings you to mining pool stats, and these are the pools you can use. I'm going to be using Fairpool. Here are some guides. You can click on that when you get a chance. Here's some exchanges. It brings you to the list of exchanges: Trade Ogres, Cytex, Crex24, Stex, South Exchange, Bisq, and GJ.com. Let's scroll down. Here are the windows, the wallets rather. Here's the GUI wallet, or the graphical user interface. That's what I'm using for Windows. Pick the one that applies to you. Here's Linux. They have Mac. GUI wallet for Mac, and an Android mobile wallet. Here's the research corner. This gets into it. Looks like it's a brief description of what each of these things are, and there's a link to each one of these things, probably with more in-depth explanation. I'm going to read them. It's about as in-depth as I want to get, so I'm going to try to be quick. The Masari Research Corner researches innovation in privacy and cryptocurrency technology within the context of advancing Masari's protocol. WWHM difficulty adjustment algorithm. This paper details the cryptocurrencies Masari's implementation and transition to a weighted harmonic mean difficulty adjustment algorithm in order to smoothly adjust its difficulty target so that the chain maintains a steady 2-minute block time. The original idea for this algorithm comes from Tom Harold and was modified by Scott Roberts. The original C++ implementation was done by Thayer Kawaja, sorry if I butchered that name, of the Masari core team. This implementation has since been adopted by several cryptocurrency projects and has paved the way for further difficulty adjustment algorithms such as LWMA. Simple extended consensus resolution, uncle mining on the blockchain. Since Bitcoin's inception and introduction of cryptocurrency, alternative iterations of permissionless decentralized peer-to-peer electronic cash have been developed. However, most of these systems have the same blockchain properties that subsequently retain similar on-chain scalability limitations to Bitcoin. With the introduction of Secure protocol, we propose a simple version of uncle mining, serving the purpose of a faster block emission rates while further securing the network by rewarding miners for otherwise orphaned blocks, solving in part some of the inherent scalability limitations of blockchain technology. These added properties are achieved by introducing block weight and differentiating it from block difficulty in a hash-based proof of work system that achieves consensus via the heaviest chain in the network. So it looks like they want to reward miners for orphan blocks. CryptoNote block tree, partially asynchronous metablock consensus. One of the biggest problems to blockchain scalability is block size, where too large a block will have propagation time and centralization concerns, while one too small will cause a network's failure to converge on a main chain. In practice, one can argue a lower bound of approximately 15 seconds, given proper management of orphaned blocks and a small upper bound on block size. Therefore, in order to increase transaction throughout while maintaining the secure concept of proof of work block in a permissionless decentralized network, one must be able to mine multiple blocks in parallel. This paper-purpose block tree, a tree partitioned structure that would fundamentally extend that of the blockchain's linear nature. All right. So let's go to, so that brings you down to about, we already did. Resources, we already did. Downloads, we already did. Research, we already did. Let's click on roadmap. Started in 2017. They use CryptoNight-Fast proof of work. They've created their own CN variant in order to further secure against malicious network attacks while being more stable and CPU friendly. Web and mobile wallet. Uncle mining. This feature, unique to Masari, delivers a more secure network, faster blocks, and rewards miners for orphan blocks. Collaborative corner, block tree white paper, pending further research. This investigates proof of work sharding potential of the CryptoNote protocol by taking advantage of a one-time public key outputs to partition shard transactions to scalable block tree. Ledger integration, simple private tokens. Without smart contracts, this features the ability to issue private digital assets in the network easily by the end user with any computational logic using interchangeable off-chain architecture. And block tree implementation, pending preceding research implementation to be completed by end of year. So this looks like end of year of 2019, and I'm assuming that hasn't been done yet. We go down here, you can see this is their social media links. Let's go to the Bitcoin talk. Sometimes you can get some more information about the project there. Again, specifications, CryptoNight-Fast, the protocols, Secure, Ring CT, CryptoNote, LWMA, WHM. Max supply is 18.5 missions. Block reward smoothly varying recurrence relation starting at around 35 MSR per block. Block time 120 seconds up to block 363,000, 60 seconds onwards. With the introduction of uncle mining, so it looks like they've done that already. Difficulty retargets every block. Exchanges again, links to that. Market indicators, links to that. Included in that is CoinMarketCap. Masari community funding system here. You can click on that, look at that. Look like they have some win Masari by guessing what the last digit of the next Masari block hash will be. Looks like they have some kind of game where you can win Masari. And here's their GitHub, CryptoNote white paper, research paper, Secure or Uncle Mining. That's the GitHub. Link to the GitHub, Blocktree, link to the GitHub. Discussion forums, pools, Block Explorer again, sources, releases on GitHub, web wallet, and announcement page is still under development. Okay, so let's go over to Discord. On Discord, under Spread the Love, they have the Blocktree white paper. It says here you can read this during quarantine time. And they have a general here. Doesn't look like there's much there. Development. Looks like they have some GitHub commitments and some entries yesterday at 9:15 a.m. And that's basically about all that I could find there. Under mining, I don't really see anything here that I need to talk about. But like always, you can check on that when you get a chance, see if I missed anything. Okay, so let's get into the mining part. I am using Fairpool. Here I am on their Fairpool website. And I'll leave the link in the description of the video. It's 1% fee. And I'm using the Windows GUI wallet, like I said. And it looks like they pay out instantly, 0.1 MSR minimum. And here are the command lines. I'm using NVIDIA. I have Zotac 1060s, NVIDIA. So here's the command line you're going to use. You're going to fill in your address here. And you're going to be using the algorithm CryptoNote/half. Here's the mining pool address. All right, so let's go over to Simple Mining. We'll plug that in. As you can see, I'm mining it right now. Let's go to group config. And here is the command line. --algo. And after that, cn/half for CryptoNote half. -o. After that, you're going to put the mining pool address that I showed you from the mining pool right here. Starts off with stratum. Ends with the port, 6060. After -u, you're going to put your public wallet address. This is currently mine. -p is password, that's just X. -k, I'll forget what that is offhand, but we'll get into that in a second. So you're going to go to group config. I'm using xmrig-Nvidia. So you're going to put add a group. Go down to xmrig-Nvidia. I'm using CUDA 9.1. You use which is appropriate for you. So in order to find out what something means, you go to show more info. It has a lot of information here. So you can says -k is keep alive. Send keep alive packet for prevent timeout. So obviously the pool supports that. That's why they have it in there. So that's what that means. And as you can see here, --algo is the algorithm you're using. And -o is the URL for the mining or the mining pool address. -u is your wallet address. All right, so we're going to put copy and paste what I have in. I'll leave it in the command line in the description of the video, but you're going to put that in here minus my address. Obviously, you want yours. Group name, I put the name of the project. In this case, Masari. And then group description, you're going to use, or at least I use, and you can copy or do whatever you want. I do the pool name, in this case Fairpool, and then what miner I'm using, in this case xmrig-Nvidia CUDA 9.1. So as you can see, that's what I wrote down. Okay, let's go over to rig list. I'm going to hit the heads up display. I'm using my ETH hash overclock settings, but use the overclock settings that works for you at your own risk, of course. And as you can see, I'm getting jobs and shares are being accepted. So we know the command line works. And that's going to be about it. So if you have any questions or comments, if I left something out that you feel as though you need to put in the comment section about this project, please let me know. If you have a project you want me to look into, to GPU mine and or review, please also let me know. And as always, please subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell to get my videos. I'm just starting off the channel, so I appreciate every subscriber. And finally, again, my well wishes to everybody out there. Please keep safe. Please use the necessary precautions so we can defeat this coronavirus and defeat the spread. Okay, until next time, happy mining.